with me now. Go with me now. I'm gonna take you down. Go with me.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Trucking Journey. I'm Trucker Jim, and today I'm coming to you from the Gorge. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Just a heads up, we're getting ready to get some drone footage. I've been scouting it out for the past few weeks, and there's 3 spots that I feel I can comfortably and safely park the truck in the drone to get out to be able to get drone footage and not have to worry about, I don't know, other trucks running into the back of mine or anything. This should be awesome. There's mountains, there's roads with trucks going by, there's a rock wall over here, and there's even a river. I love river views from the air. So what do you say we send the Mavic up in the air? Well, that was pretty freaking cool, don't you think? But that's one of 3 spots that I'm stopping to fly the drone in the Gorge. But, you guys know I do this whole Louisville thing a lot. And I'm on my way to Louisville now. But I don't expect I'll be going back and forth to Greenville to Louisville, because this week somebody's getting on the truck with me, people, and not just a passenger. It's another driver. That's right, we're gonna be team driving. We're gonna be going to Texas. I'm gonna be stopping for crackling. All kind of things are happening, so you wanna keep watching this video. But I can't keep filming this video right now because I won't be able to get to the good part of the video, right? Not saying that drone footage wasn't good, but we're getting on the road. I gotta deliver this, and tomorrow morning, someone is going to be getting in this truck. For those of you that's been watching a while and know what's up, you want to take a guess who's going to be team driving with me for the next week? Pause the video right now and put your guess below in the comments, and then you'll have to make it to the end to see who it is. Woohoo! It's exciting, people, but it's time to get back trucking. For all you drivers that want to eat keto and lose some weight and have more mental clarity, I found a great snack. Guacamole, which has avocados, which are fantastic for you, a great source of fat, and a shrimp that I got from the grocery store that has basil and garlic on it. Check it out. Take a big old hunk of guacamole, put it on your shrimp. Absolutely delicious, and no carbs. But I pulled over on the side of the interstate so I could log the brake when I was flying the drone, and look at all these cows that come to say hey to you guys. What's up, guys? Good morning once again, Trucking Journey. I'm finishing up my pre-trip, getting ready to get this day rolling, and I am 154 miles from picking up the person. I was about to say God, but we don't know that for sure, do we? Did you put your guess in the comments below of who's getting ready to get on the truck? Well, let me get rolling. I'm gonna do my little hand thing. You're gonna hear a little whoosh go through time sound, and then on the other end it's gonna be
boom, it's me, Kentucky. What's going on, YouTube?
Did anyone guess Kentucky? I bet a lot of you guessed Elvis, didn't you? Nope, it's Trucker Jim and Kentucky Trucker back together again. How long was it ago your training? Was that a year ago?
That'd be a year ago last February.
Yep, that was back when I was numbering episodes in season 2, episode 94. Kentucky Trucker got on the truck, and I think we did 8 videos all together today, the last one being backing for cookies, which is a must watch here on the Trucking Journey. But we're back together again. Not full time. This ain't gonna be a regular thing. We're teaming for a week. I'm not gonna say it's had a run of bad luck, because I really don't like to think that way and, you know, let myself be a victim of circumstance, because remember, guys, life is 10% what happens to you, 90% how you react to it. But Kentucky's attitude's been tested. First, a broken arm that didn't heal right, and then had to have a surgery to get it right, missed some work from that. And then the drop of the Harley kind of aggravated, and is that when you started having your headaches and things?
Yeah. What's going on, guys? So, me and Jim, we're teaming up for a week, because about a week and a half from now, I will be in Louisville speaking to a doctor. If you watch Walk a Mile in My Shoes in one of the videos, I talk about being born with a tumor. About 3 weeks ago, I started getting really bad headaches. So I went to the doctor. They done a CT scan, MRI. They think it may have turned cancerous. I'm now heading to Louisville to see a doctor for it. So for a week, me and Jim's teaming up.
Hey, but we want to take just a moment to give a big shout out and share our appreciation for the dispatch team here at GMP. I called them up, my dispatcher Heath, Friday. I talked to Toby yesterday as I was headed to Kentucky, letting him know, hey, after I deliver this, Kentucky Trucker is getting on the truck, and we're wanting a team do the Texas thing for a week, and they made it happen and did not make things difficult. So big thumbs up to the dispatch team at GMP. And Kentucky's story, it's a hell of a story, but Kentucky knows, because I'm going to remind him often, and you guys as well, life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. We're not going to go into all the details of his story in this video, but in a day or two, we will be going live together for all you guys that have some questions. We can address those then. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and that epic drone footage in the gorge. There will be more to come in future videos. But we're going to have to wrap this one up and see you in the next one. But until next time.
Be safe out there and keep on trucking.
Everybody going through a little something, something. Sing a little song with a guitar strumming. Smile on your brother, hey, the good Lord's coming. Keep on, keep